Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Translate. So just open the Google Translate app. Now in this box you can type whatever you want to translate. If you want to paste the button now, just tap on the paste button. Like I copied a link here so it pasted it here. Oh sorry. Now just tap on the go button. If you wanna translate an image, then tap on this camera icon. From here you can just click the photo of the image, or you can select it from gallery like this. I hope you can understand. Now you have to go back. If you both guys are talking and you want to translate the conversations, you have to tap on this conversation icon.
Press and
Here
hold
the
the
one
Google
person will speak
Assistant
in
button
English,
and
so you have to
start
tap the
talking.
English button for it. Well, while the other person will speak in Hindi, then you have to tap on the Hindi button. From here you can select the languages. Like there are many languages, you have to download the languages pack. Now here in the same case too, here are many languages, you have to download the pack in which you want to translate. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching guys.